hello and bonjour and welcome to my channel, or perhaps welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Much Sakura Beauty Spa Nomakenolife box. Oh my goodness, so excited. Spoiler alert. I've already opened this box and I had some technical difficulties with filming, including one of the products in this box causing big fluffs to be all over my hair and eyelashes. And I can't even when it comes to that kind of stuff. So yes, I refilmed this video a couple days later because of some other things as well. I digress. Let us just dive right into it, you guys. Honestly, again, spoiler alert, this month was poppin'. It was poppin'. There's nothing much more I can say. Let's go. So basically, Nomakenolife, if you don't know, or NMNL for short, is a Japanese and Korean beauty box subscription. And I've actually recently downsized, which I'll talk about in another video, my subscription boxes, because I had way too many. But this one is so unique, and I've always been so curious about Japanese and Korean beauty that I kept it. And long story short, spoiler alert for this video, so happy I kept my subscription this month. But yes, you get 8 full items, not 5, not 6, but 8. It's shipped super fast. I actually got this at the end of February already. And the only downside really is the cost. It's a very expensive subscription box.
$1 million!
With shipping on top of the already high cost. But if you're curious, if you love products, and if you actually do the math and divide it by 8 and consider that it's coming from Japan, it is quite a good deal. So anyways, let us dive in. The first item today is the culprit. It is the reason I had to refilm the video, amongst other things. I'm not going to be that dramatic, but it is this beautiful fluffy kitty ears spa headband. And it is, I'm not going to put it on again, I'm not going to repeat my mistakes. We learn from our mistakes, and if we can, from the mistakes of others, but not in this case. First of all, freaking adore it. I love that it's purple. It is so cute. And what I like is actually, it's not a full-size like flat band or stretchy. It has a good amount of stretch, and I have a big head. And so sometimes I have one that I have to like squeeze onto my head, and it's not the most pleasant for long. But this one is very stretchy, but at the same time, if you have a smaller head, I feel like it stays well as well. Super freaking cute. I just think it's awesome and adorable. One thing I will say again, these items, it's very hard to find prices for them.
I can't see it, I can't see it!
Some of them are on the website, some of them are not. So I will do my very best to try and find some sort of pricing, and maybe at the end of the video or leave it down below. But I would imagine this would be worth about, I'm doing US dollars, because yeah, this one is in US dollars, $10, maybe more. But super freaking cute, really like it. Item number 2. So I'm gonna take this one because I've seen it a lot in the sneak peeks. And again, yes, everything is already out of the packaging because I had been filming before, so my apologies for not seeing the packaging. If I can, I'll put it up somewhere on the page while I'm talking. But it's this super cute little heart brush holder. So it has the little suction cup. Oh, I wasn't sure that was gonna work. Kind of holds on for a few seconds on my hand. But basically, yes, you add it to a mirror, window, whatnot, and you put in your brushes. I'll just grab a couple here from behind me. So I will say it is more so like 2 small brushes rather than large brushes. If you have 2 brushes, you have to put the bigger one on the outside so that it balances, but it's not the most sturdy. And then if we take a bigger brush, take this one, it's the Fenty Beauty foundation brush. Yeah, like not stable at all. So that's a thing. However, I do think this is super cute. I've mentioned this before, they always have one tool in their subscription box. This is it. Personally, actually, I'm using these for our toothbrushes because it's really cute. Plop them in. Again, it does depend on the toothbrush. If it's super round, it will not hold. But if you have a couple of small brushes, this is a cute idea. I'm not sure I would use it for the function it's made for, just because I have a cup full of brushes. Why would I really hang up 2? Unless I've been washing them and they've been really messy, blah, 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 blah. But just a very super cute and unique idea. I haven't seen really anything like this in any box before, and I really like it. Yeah. Next, on the note of Sakura Beauty Spa, I already used one item. Again, I always save the boxes. I always save the packaging. I don't use anything for a little bit just in case. And this one time I was like, it's fine, I'm gonna use it. And turns out I should have waited. We got a 3-in-1. So technically we get 10 products this month, not 8. But it's a Sakura Parade bath set. So here we have bath salts, we have a bath tablet, and the thing I used was this little bath oil bubble. I do still have the picture or something, so I'll plop that in at some point in this video. But I think that's so awesome because that's 3 baths, and you get, like, this was packaged as one of your items. So you get 3 for 1, which is amazing. The oil smelled really great. I will say it made my bath water white milky looking, but also like dirty looking. So I wasn't a huge fan of that, but it did smell really nice, dissolved really well. Very excited for these, and I love, love, love baths. I just think that's so cool, so great. 3-in-1 again, like, I mean, how expensive is a tablet? Maybe a couple $0, but just absolutely love it. Very happy with that. Very happy with that. Next, this thing. Oh my god, it's just so good! This is a Sakura scented Vaseline, and I swear to you, I literally have goosebumps in my neck. Oh, it's just the best smelling thing ever. I still haven't. I'm afraid to touch it because it is so perfect to me that I want nothing to do with ruining it. Oh, it's just heaven, 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 heaven. Full-sized Vaseline, but yeah, Sakura scent. It's just, oh, heavenly, incredibly scented. Don't want to touch it. Miraculous, obsessed. Insert the Lady Gaga meme.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
So yeah, that is number 4. Item number 4. Next, something that is, I believe, in every single Nomakenolife box, we get a sheet mask. Haven't used it yet. Aha. This is the Damask Rose one, and it's by Holika, which is a huge, like, it's a really famous brand. I know, I'm trying to remember what exactly, and I can't, but I know I've used something from Holika before, but I love the rose scented items, and I really, really enjoy sheet masks. I've said this 100 times. I personally don't necessarily always go out to buy them myself. I kind of can't be bothered, but getting one a month in a subscription box is just awesome in my opinion. So I love that. Really great. The last 3 items are arguably the most exciting, and actually me having to refilm this video has allowed me some time to use these products and wear them on my face and give you some opinions at the same time. So the first thing, I wish I still had the packaging because it's super cute. I'll try to, again, put it up here if I can find it. If I can't, my bad. But we get the Peach Sea Blushers. These are so cute. First of all, there's 3 shades that you could have possibly gotten. I really wanted the bright orange. I just love an orange blush. But how gorgeous is this packaging? It's just to die for. Very easy to open, and it is. It's a really bright pop of pink. But the nice thing with this is it's very buildable. So if I blend it out, you can see on my hand maybe a little bit, it's very, very soft, and then you can layer it and intensify it. And I am actually, see, 3rd layer is like, 80s, hello. I am actually wearing it today, and I mean, I do have a bit of a goldenish peachy highlight, but I am wearing it on the apples of my cheeks, and it looks really natural if that's what you like. Something I was concerned about, right? Because a lot of Asian cosmetics is on the natural side. And I was like, holy crap, Oli, this is bright pink. Again, perfect for spring. But yeah, if you do just the one like light dip, it's a really lovely wearable pink. And the great thing with this is as well, no matter your skin tone, you'll be able to wear it, because some of them, you know, when they're too light, deeper skin tones can't wear it. When it's too intense, lighter skin tones might not be able to wear it. Absolutely love it. 3 possible shades, and I'm actually quite happy with mine. Yeah, there's Cherry Blossom Pink, Pinky Pink, and Mandarin Orange. Next, something I was not expecting, because they give quite a bit of, I'll call it spoilers, they call it sneak peeks. They give quite a lot of sneak peeks, and this was not one of them. So we have a blooming Hello Kitty lipstick, and there's a possible 6 shades. It was just in a fairly simple packaging in a paper piece with plastic. But basically, yeah, I've already used this. I'm wearing a little bit of it today. But very, very cute. I believe, okay, so the shades are Red Pink, Pearl Classic Rose, Pink Shiny Blue, which I'm assuming is just a blue shimmer, Pink Shiny Gold, and Coral Shiny Red. I'm assuming I have Pearl Classic Rose. And I will say right away, when you retract it, is that the word? I do often have to push it back in, otherwise it stays above the tube. But super cute packaging, first of all. Pink, white cap with the little flowers. Wears very nice. It really does have that slight little pearlescent shimmer, and I feel like it's something, they call it lipstick, but maybe again I think because Asian makeup is a bit lighter. To me, this is more of a tinted lip balm personally, but really like it. I've worn it, I don't know, 3-4 times so far, and it's quite nice, but just super freaking cute. Something I can pop into my bag, a little bit of color, really nice, feels very nourishing, and does honestly last a fair bit, I would say. And the last item, the big item that I was always curious looking back through the previous month's boxes, I love doing that on the website, hadn't seen in a while, we get an eyeshadow palette. I'm like super excited about this, and I also happen to perchance get the one that I wanted the most based on the images I see. So this is the Spring Colors eyeshadow palette, and I have the Sweet palette, which is pinks, purples, browns. This set is flowery and perfect for everyday wear. The other ones, there was one that is, let's see, yellow, orange, brown, blue. Interesting. And the other one is kind of like pink, peach, green, blue. So definitely really happy with that. And that's what I'm wearing on my face today. And the, yeah, all the makeup, right? Yeah. So I did this kind of purpley color in the crease, deepened it with this deep brown. I did this really lovely peach color on the lids, and then purple on the inner corner. So I will say right away, again, not the most pigmented, but to be expected of Korean and Japanese eyeshadow palettes, but still I was pleasantly surprised because I was expecting them to be like quite lackluster, just based on a few reviews that I've seen, but I'm pleasantly surprised. And I find that lately, and I think right now is the trend, right? The more like natural, glass skin, light makeup. I've actually been reaching towards this quite a bit the last few days because I've really wanted just a lighter touch of makeup. Now I did do it a bit more intensely today just to showcase the look. But yeah, all in all, quite happy. I'm still not sure on the name of this brand. It says Mia, M-I-I-A, on the deepest shade, but the packaging really was not indicative. The packaging just said 6-color eyeshadow. So this one will be fun and interesting to try and find online, but all in all, yeah, what a box. Let's go into my final thoughts. So I mentioned it at the start of the video, which I really want to talk about in some upcoming videos, and we'll get to it. But I've just been feeling a bit overwhelmed with all of the products, all the subscription boxes, etc., etc. At one point at the start of my YouTube channel, I was trying to get more to, first of all, build my collection and just try new things. But last month I felt just overwhelmed and suffocated by getting kind of quote unquote the same crap over and over again. What a breath of fresh air this box is. I absolutely love this. I would rather, even though it's more expensive than a lot of boxes in the area or whatnot. I live in France, by the way, if you don't know. I would rather get this one once a month than 2 other normal ones here. I've just come to the point where there's nothing unique or exciting or needed in a lot of the boxes that I have been receiving here. And I understand after a certain point things start to recycle. There's only so many eye creams I need, there's only so many whatever I need. And I actually canceled, I think 2, maybe 3 subscriptions last week. But this one, I'm willing to pay that little bit more and get some unique products, try some new things. This to me is worth it because I know that I'm not gonna get these products elsewhere. Not in the street, just waiting on the corner for some eyeshadow palette. Not outside, not in the shop, not really online locally. So this to me is so worth it, even though it's a little bit more expensive. Now, of course, there's a little caveat asterisk over yonder. Last month, for example, with the Pokemon box, I loved all the Pokemon products. The other products were a bit take it or leave it. But again, at the same time, that was the month where I got like 5-6 boxes. Some of them I don't film videos for. So of course it was like, this is too much stuff. Like, this isn't so exciting. So there's gonna be natural ups and downs. But this truly, March, Sakura Spa time. Why do I always say Sakura? Sakura Spa time is probably one of my favorite boxes that I've received all time, ever, anywhere. Yeah, I said it. I said it. And I meant it. It is incredible. Beautiful products, unique products, products I can and will use, products I'm curious to try. Like if I could, I would love to create some sort of company or subscription box where I get makeup from different parts of the world, because what an experience. That to me right now, with this oversaturated market of the beauty industry, that's exciting and unique. I'm going off on a tangent. I'll do another video about this probably, but I just love it. Like, what a well-rounded box. We have, okay, we're taking a bath, you throw in your bath stuff, you put up your brushes, I don't know, put on your headband, you do your face mask, put on some Vaseline while you're in there, you get out, you do your makeup with your brushes that are in the brush holder. There. Like, what a beautifully well-rounded box that touches on so many different aspects. I think it's fantastic. I think it's fantastic. I love it. I love it. That's all. It was just a little lovey-dovey rant, and I cannot wait for April. I already saw a couple sneak peeks. They're doing kind of like, I think, sweet treats. Is there something to do with food? And I'm beyond excited. But nothing beats my excitement than my excitement for the Nomakenolife subscription box. From the end. Period. Yeah. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you. If you haven't already, definitely please like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, because I would really love you. I mean, maybe. No, I would really love for you to be on this journey with me. Let me know your thoughts down below. Like, actually, I'm curious, have you seen this box before? Are you thinking of getting it? Because I cannot recommend it enough after this month and the sneak peeks that I've seen for next month. I'm blown away. I'm speechless. Yet I'm still talking. You know, it's just the dichotomy of being a woman. Anywho, other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!